In life, either you find one reason to grow or millions of excuses not to find you automatically. So if you found that one reason to grow, let go of your procrastination and do this follow along 6-minute workout. Watch the video once without following along. Grab a hold of all the exercises and movements, and then once you're ready, get off your bed and start moving right now. Now you have two options. Either go back to the workout and repeat the entire exercises one more time, or just press that subscribe button, like button, and comment and tell me which exercise did you find best. And when you're done, do not forget to share this one workout with someone. You might inspire and motivate someone to move today, and movement is always good for your holistic health.